So this is a cool car that just arrived here for some motor issues. It's a 62 and it is an original dual quad 409 car with a 4-speed, which is the way they came with the high horsepower car. And the story on this one is it belongs to a friend and customer of ours here, and he's a plumber. And he scored a couple of cars out of the old lady's garages. And this was a lady's late husband's car. And I think he was in their garage to do a water heater or something. And ended up taking this home. What a cool car. He's done a few things to it. So, how often do you see a dual quad 409 62 Impala these days? Looks to me like I would guess that a lot of this is original paint, potentially. Rust-free car. Really cool car. If you like this kind of content, like and subscribe. More about this car and more video about this car and underhood to come soon.